Mountains and mountains and mountains and towers and towers and mountains of Type 2 eagles. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped here worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Sometimes I have to take a breath.
Yes.
You know why? I'm feeling breathless.
Ah, there you go.
Because of the Type 2 eagle. Now this is the Type 1 right here.
That is a Type 1.
We're going to do a little comparison though. Let's get the Type 2 eagle. We finally got them in.
We did, and that's not all of them because there's some more over there.
There is more over there. Over there too. Beautiful. How you been?
I've been well.
A little bit busy?
Yeah.
Man, I feel like we don't talk anymore.
Oh, really?
Even though we see each other multiple times per week and lengthy meetings. Oh, hang on a second. Is that a yellow seal I see?
That's definitely a yellow seal.
Does that mean? Oh, I just wondered. That's not the San Francisco Mint, is it?
Oh, come on, mate. Give me a break. I haven't looked that up yet.
Normally you see them with the white seals.
Yeah. So does it tell me on this?
Maybe it will.
It does. I think they've gone anonymous these days.
Okay.
But I may stand correct. Double box. No, it's not telling me where this is produced.
Doesn't matter.
So further research required.
What's that whole thing? If people are wondering why does it matter whether it's the San Francisco Mint or whatever?
Some of the mints have done limited productions and have been opened and closed and reopened and all sorts of funny things. So some of them are worth more than others to some people. Is probably the best way.
Sure. I think on the seals on some of them, the older ones actually say San Francisco on
yes,
there.
they do.
Yep.
The older type.
Yep.
They absolutely do.
Steam.
Complete with sound effects.
Vapor, yeah. Beautiful. Let's see. Shipping slip in there? Let's find out. Shipping slip. Packing slip, I mean. No, packing slip, but I love what they've done with these tubes.
Yeah,
the black seal in there. Yeah, it's cool.
It is. It's really good, actually.
All right, we're taking a look at them. Now, we've already showed these briefly on our video from a couple of days ago, our all-in epic unboxing.
Unboxing that we're all still trying to recover from.
Man, my back's still sore. But we showed them briefly, but we just wanted to show you again in a separate video, and we'll do an up-close look. We'll get some Reuben roll, otherwise known as additional footage or B-roll, but we like to call it Reuben roll, and we wanted to do a comparison just between the Type 1 and the Type 2. Again, Reuben will do some beautiful... there's something what have you done here, Michael?
What have I done? I've just put it on the Lady Liberty side.
That's
so
correct.
You can have a look.
Oh, good, excellent. All right, it's a bit, and you were planning on turning them over, weren't you?
Absolutely.
All right, cool.
Just looking, I've never noticed it before side by side. I think the planchet's different, isn't it? The plank, because these are slightly wider and flatter.
Oh, really?
I think so. I'm just trying to look at it there and try and work it out. I'll have to get calipers on it.
Oh, okay.
So. Or I could just Google it, probably.
You could just Google it.
But I'm pretty sure they've changed the size.
Interesting. All right. Type 1.
American coins.
What about them?
They flip the wrong way.
Yes, that's right. They're vertically aligned.
Yes. Gets me every time.
Yeah, that's right. Beautiful. Of course, Type 1 and your Type 2. I like it.
I actually really like it.
I like it.
I know that I'm probably going to get a lot of comments on, it's not traditional and all that sort of stuff, but I actually think it's great.
Yeah, but things aren't traditional when they come out new, and then they become traditional. Yeah. So, look, it's a new era, and I think it will do really well over the coming years.
I think so, too.
It's beautiful. It's a really, really good design.
And if you talk to Matt about it, he starts talking about the significance of the open wings.
Right.
We really need to get Matt in on a discussion with these because there's all the significance between how the look of the eagle is, what traditionally what it signifies with coins.
Oh, really?
To open wings can be hawkish, aggressive, or one of the ones has got closed wings on it, so it becomes more of a conciliatory, peaceful,
peacetime kind of thing. Interesting. Okay.
Matt will give you the finer detail on that because that's right up his alley. But it's fascinating stuff, so we need to have a discussion on that.
Very cool. I hope everyone saw a bit of extra Reuben roll in there. Once again, the difference between the Type 1 and the Type 2 American Silver Eagle. Question is, do we have... I know we have this Type 1 Eagle, but do we have more in stock?
We do have more of the Type 1, although they are running out semi-quickly.
Okay, but you can see here, as of this video, we've got lots of the Type 2 in stock.
The Type 2,
yeah.
We don't anticipate a problem. I am trying to push the Type 1s, obviously we sell them, but we are starting to see an increase in premiums of the Type 1, both at a wholesale level and a retail level, because they're not making them anymore. So if you're after completing your set or anything along those sort of lines, grab them while you can. We still have them, and so do the other dealers. They are still in stock, but like I said, premiums are starting to increase, and we're starting to see the sold out signs at the wholesalers starting to appear.
Fair enough. Would it be fair to say, and I don't want to hold you to anything right now, but in terms of the pricing, would you say that the pricing for the Type 2, I'll flip it around, the pricing for the Type 1 might be a little bit higher than the Type 2?
Absolutely. I know the last lot we brought in,
okay,
we had to pay extra because they were Type 1s.
Gotcha. So if you're seeing these both on the website, you're going to see that the Type 2 is going to be a bit cheaper than the Type 1. Very cool.
I haven't looked at the exact numbers. I'm going to look like a right rabbit if it's not now, but it should be.
Well, you'll just have to do it anyway.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
We'll take a loss on it if it means keeping our customers happy. Beautiful. Type 1 and Type 2 Eagles. I've got a bunch of them. Get them in the monster box if you can afford it. If you've saved up and all that. It's just a monster box is just something really, really special.
Yeah.
Particularly when you open it up, it's so cool.
Yeah, and they do. They look great, particularly with these new seals that they've put on there.
Yeah.
There's 20 in a tube, 25 tubes in a monster box. So
yes, that's right.
A monster box is 500 in the Eagles. And the Americans are going, well, of course, they're all 500s. They're not actually. All monster boxes aren't created equal.
That's true. What else do they need to know?
Well, I reckon we should get comments on the, like the Kookaburra this year with the design. Is that a realistic design?
Okay, all right. Well, tell us what you think. Do you prefer the Type 1? Do you prefer the Type 2?
I actually prefer the Type 2.
I like the Type 2 better, but
I've just upset lots of people.
Well, I want to hear what our lovely, esteemed viewers have to say. So put a comment below.
Yeah, absolutely. Put a comment below, and we'll run a bit of an unofficial survey.
Cool. Sounds good. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to bullionnow.com.au, your Type 2 Eagles. As of the making of this video, the release day, they are available for sale at an excellent premiums, as we do all our stuff here at Bullion Now. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.